everyone. Me here.
Hello.
If you look over there, you'll see it's a Polynesian Cultural Center. You ready to go in here?
Yes, let's do it.
Well, you have to get going.
Oh, okay, aloha.
Let's go. There's Ma. Hey, Ma. Okay. Återstående. Återstående. Ett people. Yeah. Wasn't the main entrance yet. Look at these guys. Wow, we instantly came in and Lisa's gone. You alright? Okay. Let's go exploring. Let's head this way, because that's where my family went. You see something you like?
Yes, the waterfall is beautiful.
Here comes right next to me. There we go. Come next to me.
Yes.
We made it!
We made it!
Oh, ran away. Oh, wait. Do even better. Come here. And look at the camera.
It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's amazing.
You are about to witness the most dangerous activity that we perform here in the whole Polynesian Cultural Center. We don't climb these trees.
I know, I'm trying to get the spot.
Go up there and cut those leaves while weaving and pick the young fresh coconuts and drink. If you haven't had one of those after this, go to that Polynesian. Those guys are standing by with some fresh coconuts for you. That is our #1 refreshment in the islands. Are you ready? Not good enough for this very dangerous activity. Are you ready? Yeah! Put your hands together. Put your hands together. Get ready and clap. Everybody, clap your hands. Put your up. Keep clapping. Keep clapping. Everybody, clap your hands. Somebody scream! He did it! It's the first day on the job. Now he's gonna jump to this tree. First day of the job. We do anything to make you happy. Everybody say Oso!
Are you ready?
Yes!
Oh, come on, are you ready?
Yeah!
Are you crazy?
Sorry guys. Now today is the new guy. Last week we lost all 9 of them. It was so windy. And they all rest in pieces. Give a big hand, come on! Please go home and don't try it.